philo apha kuyakhuleka apha
Living and deliverance here.
but sifuna indlela also bana
But we also want
sakudevelopha
the way.
njani
How are we going to develop you?
sakudevelopha njani
How are we going to develop
wabona
you?
amandla kaThixo
You
ukuthi
have seen the power of
bona
God in
ukusebenza
us,
kaThixo
the
ukuthi
working of God in
ibona
us.
imiqondiso
You see the
but ke
testimonies.
sikhangela indlela into
Now
yobana
we're looking for the way.
singakudevelopha
How
njani
can we develop you?
so ivele indaba ye
So
development
the matter
ibaluleke
of
kakhulu emveni
development becomes
busindisiwe
more important when you are saved.
ngoba ngumama
You'll be a mother
you know onobulumko njani
that has wisdom. How?
zaba la ntombi
That
nawe
daughter,
nosuka emtshatweni
and you coming from marriage,
uzaphinda uye kwenye umtshato nje
you'll just go to another
ngathi
marriage
usuka
now.
kulo msebenzi uye kwenye
Like
umsebenzi
you're leaving this job to another job.
sakudevelopha njani
How are we
zinto
going to develop?
esingakufundisa zona
What are the things that are supposed to teach?
wena ntombi endala
You old
enabantwana
daughter
abathathu
who has 3 children.
ubaphethe njani abantwana
How are you treating these children?
ha ubaphethe njani
How
abantwana
are you treating these children?
abanye benu nikhuphela
Some of you,
ubuhashi babazali
you
benu
are moving the harshness of your
nibakhuphela
parents.
kubantwana beli xesha
You are taking it out on the children of this time.
stop laa nto sithi mna
Stop that
ndakhuliswa
people say,
ngohlobo wakhuliswa
"I was
ngohlobo ngubani
brought up- you were made to brought up like this by who?"
soze ndivenzele nabantwana
Never
bam
will you hear me speaking to my children and say,
thina sasithiwa
We
no
used to do this.
no 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 sebenzisa ubulumko uthixo
I use the
andikakona ulwazi
wisdom that
uthixo
God has given.
not bana
Knowledge.
thina sasiphethwe
Not that
ngulo
we
thina
were.
sasithiwa
No.
unintsi lenu
Many of you,
nihashe ebantwaneni
you
benu
are harsh to your children.
and uyesu akayithandi loo nto
And Jesus doesn't like that.